Stop scrolling, because this is not the Kia Sportage you know. The 2026 Kia Sportage is a complete reinvention of one of Kia's most iconic SUVs, and it looks more futuristic than ever. From the front, the transformation is jaw-dropping. The legendary Tiger Nose grille has evolved into a bold illuminated panel, flanked by razor-thin LED headlights that look like they've been carved straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. The lines are sharper, the stance is wider, and the presence on the road feels absolutely commanding. Swing around to the rear, and it's just as striking. A sleek connected LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, with modern boomerang-style taillights giving it a signature glow at night. The sporty bumper now integrates aero fins and diffuser-like styling, showing us that Kia didn't just design an SUV, they designed a statement. Step inside, and you're met with a cabin that feels like a luxury spaceship. Up front, dual-curved OLED displays seamlessly merge the driver's cluster with the infotainment system. The steering wheel? Futuristic, with touch-sensitive controls and haptic feedback. Kia's new AI-powered assistant is ready to respond instantly to your voice, like having a digital co-pilot. Ambient lighting wraps around the cabin, and premium vegan leather with brushed aluminum accents makes this SUV feel like it belongs in the luxury class. Now, let's talk power, because the 2026 Sportage isn't just about looks. Under the hood, you'll get a next-gen hybrid and full electric option. The hybrid combines a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine with advanced electric motors for nearly 280 horsepower, while the EV version pushes close to 350 horsepower with instant torque. And with a projected range of over 400 miles per charge, Kia is making it clear this SUV is built for the future. In the rear seats, passengers aren't left out. Fully reclinable chairs, rear climate zones, wireless charging pads, and that massive panoramic glass roof make the cabin feel like a rolling first-class lounge. Long trips? No problem, the 2026 Sportage is designed for comfort, tech, and style in every detail. But here's the real question, would you take this futuristic Sportage over a Tesla Model Y, Hyundai Tucson, or Toyota RAV4? Let me know what you think down in the comments, backhand index pointing down. And if you love discovering future cars before anyone else, smash that subscribe button right now, because we've got even crazier upcoming models you won't want to miss.